Hey, what's up? Alec Pulvidente here, and we are back with another video. And today I'm going to be turning this PC right here into a crazy editing machine. So I'm going to be changing it out into a liquid cool build and also changing some of the parts into the most high-end parts they make for editing. So stay tuned and you guys can watch as I build this thing. I have a fair amount of knowledge of what I'm doing here because I built this one originally, but I haven't liquid cooled a PC yet, and it's going to be quite the journey. So stay tuned, and I guess that's it. I'll see you guys in a bit.
I know, remind me. You won't let me forget, no. I know, beside me. The side of you that I know. 'Cause if it's not love, then it's worthless. Bring me right back. Slip in my eye and I'm wordless. You don't understand. You don't understand my love. You don't understand my love. You don't understand. You don't understand. You don't understand my love.
if you feel like I do right now. Don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake, 'cause I don't fucking care at all. You've been out all night, I don't know where you've been. You're slurring all your words, not making any sense, but I don't fucking care at all. 'Cause I have hella feelings for you. I act like I don't fucking care, like they ain't even there. 'Cause I have hella feelings for you. I act like I don't fucking care, 'cause I'm so fucking scared. I'm only a fool for you, and maybe you're too good for me. I'm only a fool for you, but I don't fucking care at all. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake, 'cause I don't fucking care at all. You've been out all night, I don't know where you've been. You're slurring all your words, not making any sense, but I don't fucking care at all. 'Cause I have hella feelings for you. I don't fucking care, like they ain't even there. 'Cause I have hella feelings for you. I act like I don't fucking care, 'cause I'm so fucking scared. I'm only a fool for you, and maybe you're too good for me. I'm only a fool for you, but I don't fucking care at all.
Alright guys, so now that we're done building this beast of a computer right here, first off I just want to say that I am very happy with how this thing turned out. It looks absolutely beautiful and stunning sitting right here. I'm sure you guys already saw the footage of it completed. I don't know if you could tell from the progress of building this thing. Oh, by the way, don't mind that screen back there flickering. It's got a bad backlight, so it just does its thing and then eventually starts working again. So try not to pay any attention to that. But as I was saying, when I was building this thing, it ended up being a lot bigger of a project than I thought it would be, especially with the liquid cooling. Other than that, I already know how to build PCs and fairly good. I've only built like 2 before this, but nothing ever like this with the fully liquid cooling. That was a whole new project for me. So it took a lot of time of trying to bend those tubes and figure out how to actually make these tubes fit in there. I'm sure you saw a lot of footage of that. But as I was saying, that took like almost a whole week to actually do that. I had to come back to it every night after work and put a little work in each night. I had my dad help me too. But yeah, let's stop talking about how I actually built it because you already saw that. I want to talk about more how this thing performs now. Now that we got Windows running on it and everything, I got all my old software on here. So first off, let's talk about for the gamers and the real PC guys. I'm going to put a benchmark up on the screen probably right now, and so you can just see how that thing performs for gaming use, but that's not what we built this thing for. So let's talk about what we built this thing for. With all the parts stock, straight out of the box, without overclocking anything. I was getting render times for, I practiced this on a 4K video that I was editing. It was 4K, it was about 10 minutes long, and basically while editing, first off I want to point out that something I really noticed that was really like amazing was when I was editing, I was looking at the gauges here where it tells me like the temperature and the amount of load that's on each part, and I noticed that there was only like 15% load at maximum while I was editing, and like I was doing 100% quality RAM preview and everything. I didn't even see anything over 15% load, which just blew my mind while I was editing, because on my last build I was getting 100% load while I was editing and I couldn't even play back a video. So the fact that I saw that while I was just editing was just amazing. Then render times, it's even crazier. So render times, I was looking at like maybe 15 to 20 minutes to render a 4K 10-minute video. Then I overclocked it. After overclocking it, this was taking about 10 minutes to render a 4K 10-minute video, and that just was like mind-blowing. Now this thing is an absolute beast. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, do all that YouTube stuff, and I will catch you guys in the next video. See you guys next time.